I was not linked to Bapuji before my marriage. My in-laws, my husband, and everyone in my family, they were linked to Bapuji from last 25 years. And after my marriage, I mean, they never forced me to follow him. But when I came first time ashram, because as we see whatever the things they are whatever the rumors they already spread over outside through media, news channel, everything. So definitely until and unless we know the truth, we will follow that and we will accept it. But when I came first time ashram, Ahmedabad ashram, so that time I was very 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 surprised, and to see like how people are still following Bapuji and how they have faith on Bapuji. So that time only I started asking questions to them, like not for my curiosity. I was spiritual, and then I started listening satsang of Bapuji. That comes into my life. That was a big change for me because I was completely non-vegetarian, and I mean that was like if someone asked me to leave it, so I will say no, definitely I'm not going to do that. But and my family, my husband, even he never forced me to leave it. But then after coming first time ashram, and I was started doing jap and many things, like it I sometimes it comes from your heart, like yeah. So and I'm sure it was Bapuji only. I converted to completely vegetarian. The first thing that was that, and then from last 3 years, I have my own experiences. Like that was the first thing, and one of the second was what my I wanted to work in my dream company. That was my dream job kind of thing. So in satsang I heard like I follow that whatever Bapuji tells people, that for job getting your job you can many tricks. So I followed that and I got my job in my dream company. And that was the second thing. Now it is like I like every time whenever I feel जो भी अप एंड डाउन्स होते हैं लाइफ में, लाइक यू गेट टू आप कभी बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं, तो दैट इज़ लाइक फॉर माई सपोर्ट. मतलब अब बापूजी अब मेरे लिए बहुत 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 ज़्यादा बढ़ के हो गया. पहले मैं जब कुछ भी मतलब प्रॉब्लम होती थी तो मैं मतलब भगवान को वो करती, लेकिन अब मेरे मतलब कुछ भी होता है तो मैं मेरे मुंह से सबसे पहले बापूजी ही निकलता है.